discover the lively and unspoiled Boracay Island in the Philippines. This comprehensive guide provides you with all the necessary information for planning an unforgettable vacation. Engage in a variety of water activities at White Beach. Embark on exciting island hopping tours and explore other recommended attractions that should be added to your itinerary. Boracay is also renowned as a haven for water sports enthusiasts. Whether it's helmet diving, snorkeling, cliff diving, island hopping, or parasailing, you are guaranteed an exhilarating experience. If you're traveling with a group, consider booking a private island hopping tour as part of your Boracay adventure. When it comes to tourist spots, you have the option of visiting Puka Beach in the north, White Beach in the center, or Cagban Beach in the south. No matter what type of travel activity you prefer, Boracay has something to offer. Stay tuned for a detailed list of must-do activities and must-visit spots in Boracay. Explore White Beach. The focal point of Boracay's worldwide acclaim is White Beach, which spans 4 kilometers. This pristine shoreline is adorned with high-quality resorts, hotels, and restaurants, making it a highly desirable destination. White Beach's undeniable charm draws the largest number of tourists to the island. In addition to its captivating white sands and crystal-clear waters, everything you need is conveniently situated near White Beach. See flying foxes at Puka Beach. No comprehensive list of activities to experience in Boracay would be considered complete without a visit to Puka Beach. Historically named after the stunning puka shells that once adorned its shores, this beach offers a slightly coarser sand texture when compared to the famous White Beach. However, Puka Beach more than compensates for this with its incredible, untouched beauty. As you gaze out at the beach, you'll also be treated to a breathtaking view of a lush forest perched on a cliff. Furthermore, there are noticeably fewer establishments along the beachfront, allowing for a more serene and tranquil experience. Located at the northernmost point of Boracay Island, Puka Beach is just a 20-minute tricycle ride away from White Beach. If you plan on spending a few hours here, it's advisable to bring a mat or something comfortable to sit on. This highly sought-after travel destination is often included in island hopping tours around Boracay. Being farther away from the 3 main stations means that there's a higher chance of enjoying this pristine and picturesque beach with only a handful of people around. Moreover, if you're interested in witnessing the enchanting migration of Boracay's flying foxes, Puka Beach is the ideal spot. The awe-inspiring sight of these magnificent fruit bats in flight is truly unforgettable. You can even contribute to their preservation efforts by getting involved with Friends of the Flying Foxes, an organization that regularly conducts bat counts. If you're looking to unwind, you have the option of purchasing a refreshing coconut beverage and reclining as you take in the picturesque sight of the island. Don't forget to acquire some vibrant seashells as mementos to commemorate your time spent in this particular area of Boracay. Go on a Boracay Island hopping tour. One of the top activities to experience on the island is participating in Boracay's island hopping tours. This allows you to explore and swim in the pristine and stunning beaches that the island has to offer. In addition to relaxing on Boracay's White Beach, it is highly recommended to venture out and visit the nearby islets and beaches. 3 popular destinations included in most Boracay Island hopping tours are Magic Island, Crocodile Island, and Crystal Cove Beach. Magic Island is renowned not only for its clear turquoise waters, but also for being a famous spot for cliff diving. With 5 different diving platforms available, ranging from 3 meters to 10 meters, visitors have the opportunity to conquer their fears and gradually work their way up to the highest cliff. Now let's talk about Crocodile Island. Don't worry, despite its name, there are no actual crocodiles residing on this uninhabited island. The name is derived from its distinctive shape, resembling that of a crocodile's head. Renowned as a premier destination for scuba diving and snorkeling in Boracay, this island boasts a vibrant underwater world teeming with marine creatures. The flourishing coral reefs serve as a habitat for an array of fish species, including lionfish, scorpionfish, moray eels, cuttlefish, and groupers. The final one is Crystal Cove Island, originally referred to as Teguation Island by the locals. This island gained popularity due to its distinctive crystal formations. It features 2 limestone coves that can be explored through snorkeling. Additionally, visitors have the opportunity to feed pigeons while enjoying their time here. Try fun high-altitude Boracay activities. To explore the beauty of Boracay and take in the breathtaking views of the island, consider engaging in some exhilarating high-altitude activities at White Beach and Bulabog Beach. These recommended activities offer a unique experience, but keep in mind that they are subject to weather conditions. Rest assured, you will be provided with safety guidelines before participating in these thrilling endeavors. Boracay windsurfing is an exciting high-altitude activity that combines the elements of sailing and surfing. By harnessing the power of the wind, you can ride the waves on a surfboard equipped with a sail. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced windsurfer, this activity promises enjoyment and adventure. If you wish to hone your skills, there are instructors available to provide lessons. If windsurfing or kiteboarding does not pique your interest, why not try parasailing in Boracay? Take to the skies as you are lifted by a vibrant parachute during a thrilling parasailing tour. This activity offers a different perspective and a sense of freedom as you soar above the stunning island landscape. See marine life with Boracay diving. One of the top recommended things to do in Boracay is to explore the underwater world and witness its vibrant marine life. It doesn't matter if you're a novice looking to try diving for the first time or an experienced diver seeking a closer look at the abundant coral reefs. There are plenty of options for diving lessons and activities in Boracay that will provide you with an amazing experience. Many of the island-hopping tours in Boracay also include snorkeling as part of the itinerary. This activity allows you to swim on the water's surface and observe the diverse marine life beneath. You will be provided with snorkeling equipment for the duration of the activity, but you can also bring your own or rent if you prefer. Join a Boracay pub crawl. You cannot depart from Boracay without taking part in the renowned Boracay pub crawl. This event guarantees the ultimate nightlife experience, with its offering of bar-hopping, icebreaker games, and complimentary welcome drinks. Revel in the festivities and enjoy a night of endless partying. The pub crawl serves as an ideal platform to connect and socialize with fellow travelers who share similar interests, all while immersing yourself in the vibrant atmosphere that the island has to offer. It also provides a fantastic opportunity to explore the diverse range of music played at the various pubs and bars in Boracay. The captains leading each crawl group ensure that you have ample time to interact and get acquainted with everyone. Engage in lively icebreaker games that will keep you engaged and facilitate socializing with other participants. As a memento, you will receive a unique pub crawl shirt. Throughout the event, you will have the chance to sample a wide variety of flavored shots, many of which are complimentary or available at a reduced price. Additionally, you will be given a shot glass to keep as a souvenir after the pub crawl concludes.